my dear friends. This is another video today that I'm shooting, and today being a Saturday, lovely weekend, and hopefully you guys have been enjoying your weekend altogether. So guys, how are you guys spending your weekend? How are things at your end, and what are the things that you're doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Tonight I have actually come out only to do a little bit of photo shoot with my bike. I was thinking something like this kind of a street. This is like a busy street, so probably I can do a little bit of time lapse over here. Let's see, in front of KFC. Yeah, this is actually a good spot. Oh, but let's see if this is a good spot. Yes, it is actually a good spot. So let me do it on GoPro itself. Let's see how that comes. Hey buddy, how are you? Good, good, good. What? Okay. No, I just came here. नहीं अभी आया हूँ बस. हाँ. So what's your good name?
Saif Ali.
So guys, Saif Ali, who is a subscriber as well, so just met me in front of KFC right now. So let me just take a couple of photo shoots and then probably we'll go ahead. Hey guys, so I was just riding and I was making that time lapse as I already told you. So I met one of my subscribers, quite an old subscriber. That's him. His name is Saif, and he actually gave me this gift. ऐसे गिफ्ट्स मत ले आया करो यार, मैं ऐसे मतलब गिफ्ट एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता. But then he has been actually been with me for quite some time as a subscriber, and this is the first time we are meeting up. And so thank you so much for this, Saif. And guys, hopefully you will like the content that I'm going to share now, because I'm doing a time lapse. So that's the setup. वहाँ पे हेलमेट रखा हुआ है. Let me just zoom in. वहाँ पे हेलमेट रखा हुआ है और पूरा टाइम लैप्स ऐसे चल रहा है उस एंगल में. So hopefully that looks good. So guys, see you later. Have an amazing Sunday again. Tomorrow the vlog will be out. So guys, just met one of my subscribers, and as I am going to actually have a cup of tea, I invited him to join me along, so that we can actually share a little bit of moments together. And how sweet of him that he actually gifted me a pair of sunglasses. And as you would have seen already, or maybe you will see later on, depends on
how I edit it. The time lapse, I'm trying to experiment quite a few things while shooting my vlog. So it's going to be GoPro and also my camera, my SLR, because through SLR also the quality is quite good. So as of now I'm just trying to figure out a way of getting the same kind of quality what I get from GoPro on YouTube, because YouTube में जो है आपका जो quality, overall the quality output is, that is not at all even remotely close to what GoPro actually gives you. So whenever I upload a video on YouTube, what happens is that it compresses the file. Like अभी GoPro का जो footage होता है वो होता है 90 Mbps का, and that's why one small footage like for 10 minutes would be like almost close to 4 GB or 3 GB ऐसे. And even though 90 Mbps के speed में it is actually showing you a video, when I'm uploading, when I'm actually editing it, editing के time पे it compresses the file to around about 20 Mbps, and after being 20 Mbps, which is like very much good enough for YouTube, YouTube will compress it even further to around 8 to 10 Mbps. So that is where the quality really loses out. Because अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस देखते हो, GoPro वाले फुटेजेस देखते हो, तो GoPro वाले फुटेजेस में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे पिक्सेलेटेड चीज़ें आपको दिखेंगी. That's because the real quality of the GoPro video is quite different from what you see on YouTube. And as of now, what I'm experimenting with is that I'm going to shoot at 4K, and with 4K footage, what I will be doing is compressing that into 1080p at 30 frames per second and uploading that, which means it's going to be a huge amount of quality, but I don't know how you will find it on YouTube. So please do comment down below as to how the quality is with regards to the video. और ये रात को मैं इसलिए ले रहा हूँ ताकि सुबह के टाइम पे द क्लैरिटी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर, बट रात को क्या होता है कि रियल टेस्ट रात को होता है कि जब फोटोग्राफी करते हो या जो फोटोग्राफर्स होते हैं उनको पता होता है कि देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज ग्रेन degradation. So the film actually degrades when it is night, because any photo shoot or any video or anything requires a lot of light. So that is the kind of experiment I am doing right now. Hopefully this looks good. So this will be out on Sunday morning, tomorrow morning. I hope you guys like it. Just give me the feedback, whatever you feel when it comes to this video quality, and let me know how it is overall. And so that I am just doing a lot of tests and trying to work around things. जब SJ cam यूज़ करता था तो SJ cam का फुटेज जो था that is completely different from how this guy was right next to me. So if where is he? When I used to use the SJ cam before, उसका फुटेज जितने भी थे, मतलब that would be not more than like 10 Mbps speed at which it records. So GoPro records at 90 Mbps. So there is a huge difference between GoPro and SJ cam. So SJ cam की quality somehow it was actually able to manage it. Whenever I used to upload the videos on YouTube, the quality never used to go down the way it used to be on TV. तो मेरे को कभी पता ही नहीं चला कि ऐसे quality issues आएगा. But when it came to the GoPro footages, that's when I noticed कि हाँ भाई there is something really wrong in terms of the quality. So hopefully it should not actually affect my future videos, so I'll be doing lot of tests. So right now I'm just going to a place called Noor Khan Bazaar, and in that Noor Khan Bazaar there is a cafe called Noor Cafe, which is one of my favorites actually. I go there almost every day just to have a cup of tea, by the way. So I have a cup of tea every day from Noor Cafe and enjoy that tea, because tea is actually very it's called as a Irani tea, which you get it in Hyderabad. I don't know the origins of the tea and everything, but it feels really good. It is made in a different way altogether. हम जिस तरह से चाय बनाते हैं वैसा नहीं होता, ये completely different तरीका होता है इसका. इसमें शायद दूध उबालते रहते हैं, मलाई जमती रहती है और दूध का कलर ही चेंज होने लगता है. So I have seen that process once, but though I am not really person who likes to cook, so I don't really notice much, honestly. मेरे को कार और बाइक के बारे में बता दो तो मैं फट से जवाब दे दूंगा, या टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बता दो मैं फट से जवाब दे दूंगा. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फूड, कुकिंग और एनीथिंग with regards to these terms, I have absolutely no idea how to actually explain things. I'm pretty bad at it. So guys, this is Noor Cafe, by the way, which you can see. And if you would have followed my video, you know exactly where it is. So you can always come here to have a cup of tea, or whenever you want to actually come over, right? So these guys actually know me so much because I come here every single day, so it doesn't really matter. Okay guys, for now, see ya, take care, bye bye.